Hey there everyone, Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we're going to do a walk around, start up and drive video for you on a 1970 Chevelle Super Sport. And this car is a very special car. It is an LS6 car. It is a numbers matching 454 engine under the hood, automatic transmission, 12-volt posi. This is an absolute gorgeous car. VIN number stamped right on the block. This car has 199 miles on it since complete rotisserie frame off restoration. This car is absolutely gorgeous. The paint and body on this car are beautiful. It's got the correct SS wheels, the correct Firestone wide ovals on it. Cowl induction hood is all functional. Beautiful interior in the car. Beautiful jams. Headliner, sail panels, package tray, all in excellent condition. There we go. Nice big board here. It tells you all about the car. The back seat's in great shape as well. You'll see all the pictures on our website of this beautiful car. Gorgeous car. Start her up, Bryce. We'll check the lights and stuff. You'll see the undercarriage pictures on our website of this car too. Brights. Got one headlight out on brights. Took this video outside so you can see how nice this car is out in the sun. Well, I put it in the shade because the sun is just way too bright to show you, but you'll see all the pictures online. Like I say, this car is absolutely beautiful. You can check it out. You can look down the sides of the car. All the gauges work. I don't know about the radio. Radio even works. Blower motor works. Lights work. Wipers work. This is a really great car. Let's take her for a spin here quick, Bryce. As far as muscle cars are concerned, they don't get any better than this. LS6 70 Chevelle, bright red, black stripes. We had about 5 cars in the turntable room today, and I said, oh, it's a nice enough day, I will do this outside.
It's gonna have, we're gonna roll 200 miles on this car since restoration here in just a minute. Got 199.9. Nice sunny fall day here in Iowa. Love the fall weather. I just don't like what comes after it. Not really too big a fan of the cold anymore. The gas pedal is on the right, people. What a great car. Perfect. I mean, no hands on the wheel. Everything on this car. It was a nut and bolt restoration. It is a gorgeous car. We did not do the nut and bolt restoration on this car, but it has been fully restored. Here, and I didn't get on it too much, and the gas we're on empty, so that's LS6 power there for you, boys and girls. This is an awesome car, ain't it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, no shit. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, www.kinionauto.com. Give us a call because this car will not be around long. We put it online. We didn't price the car. We've had 8-10 calls on it today just by putting a phone number online. We got a lot of people on it, so it won't be here. If you want to buy this car, give us a call, and we'll make this happen for you. You will not find a nicer car for the money, I guarantee you that. This is an awesome, awesome LS6. Give us a call again, 563-452-2450. Thanks for watching and have a great day.